Hey YouTubers, hope you've enjoyed our videos as much as we've enjoyed making them. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Down below!
Joseph, let's show them how it's done. Oh, I got the big hammer for it. Smash it! Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
It's time!
You ready, Maverick?
I'm ready, Goose.
Dun, 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 na, 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 na. Let's turn and burn. Pilots cleared to launch.
Big firepower.
So the reason why we have Mommy's aviators on today is because we are building an airplane from the Lowe's Build and Grow set. So Joseph, let's swap out those glasses for our safety glasses and let's get our hammer ready and start building this.
Whenever it's hot, please, if you want to cover your ears, you can.
That's right. Look at this, we got some cool stickers of some passengers on our airplane. And let's begin. Step one, we need our fuselage, which is the big body of the airplane, and pay attention to all the holes on the underside versus the top. Look at that one snoring like daddy. And we got some aliens on here.
I wanna see.
We'll get to the stickers when we're done building the plane. Alright, keep in mind this build has lots of nails, some big, some small, so pay attention to the directions. So we have our fuselage, and we're going to start with the side with all the holes up front, and we're going to attach the two short nails to our tail fin. Are you ready, my boy?
Yes.
So let me tack in one. I'll hold it, you hit. Here we go. See how careful Joseph is? It's a very fragile tail fin. If he misses the center line, it could break the wing, and then it may not fly. You want me to hit it with the daddy hammer?
Please.
Little tricky. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're not throwing it yet. Alright, step 2. Now we're going to get our big nails. Alright, we got two big nails. And we've got the underbelly for the wheel carriage. But you know what, Joseph? Let's do these back two for the back wing. I'm sorry, the back wheels first. Okay, so let's drop these two down here. We're going to flip her over. Can I have that?
Yep.
Thank you. And we are going to go... underbelly, two nail holes straight through into the bottom. Alright, here we go. Let me just tack. Go ahead, have at it. Hit both at the same time. Try to focus on one. Let me get the daddy hammer. These are stubborn nails for this set. There we go. That's not going anywhere.
Cover your ears, please.
Yeah, we need to cover those ears, and then we're going to take these two pieces, and again we're going straight through the top. We'll do one at a time for this one rather than two.
So when you hit it, make sure you say boom, bang, firepower.
That's right. Boom, bang, and firepower.
Yeah, boom, bang, and firepower.
We love firepower, right?
Yeah.
Especially when you're working with nails. Alright, sir.
Boom, bang, firepower.
Oh, these are going in nice.
I'm making it easy.
Perfect. Nice. Very nice. I'm going to give it one whack.
Whack, whack.
One more. Ready?
Boom,
You give me the boom bang firepower. Ready?
Boom.
let's get those wheels in now. So now we're going back to the short nails. Joseph, we got 1, 2, 3 wheels we got to put onto this puppy. All right.
Puppy. Hi, puppy.
So first wheel, we're going straight to the center. See, we've got our front wheels and we've got our back wheels. It doesn't matter where we start. Flip it the other way because there should be a little groove to help it. Flip the wheel around, Joseph, so it's facing us the other way. There you go. See that? Let's shoot for the center. Perfecto. All right, now we're going to leverage the end of the table. Go ahead. All right, not too tight. That's good because we want it to roll. Let's see if it rolls. Nice.
Last airplane video, we made it too tight because it didn't roll. But this time, we're good.
We're good. All right, let's do it again here. Joseph, put one wheel here. Let's pop this in. There, go ahead. Now make sure to hammer it, but not all the way down. 1, 2 more hits. Give it 2 more hits. That works. Maybe 3 more big ones.
Let me see.
You think it's good?
It's good.
Okay. All right, let's do the other wheel. Yeah, pass flight safety check, number 457. Clear for runway. We've got 7 souls on board. Flip it the other way. See how the nail fits right into the hole? So there's 2 sides to every wheel. We're going to go with the side. There we go, Joseph. So it rotates. There we go. Watch your fingers. As Joseph says every video, finger insurance. Whoa. There we go. Is it in tight? It's in tight. We got a rolly. It rolls. All right. Step 6. The wing.
Oh, that goes right here.
Underneath. Flip it around. Flip it around. This guy goes right between.
Let me see.
Yep, you got it. Yep.
Oh, that is cool.
Let's get it in.
Can I put this your nails in, Daddy?
Yes, you can. Let's keep it in the center so everyone can see. Flip it. Here, you do. Other way. Yep, we're going to install it upside down so when we flip it back up, it's going to be perfecto. Now line those 2 nails up with precision. See, you're building airplanes. Pretty easy here, buddy. Alright, keep it in the center so they can see above. Go ahead. Ooh, that's flying in. Good.
Whack, please.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a whack. We lost the wheel, but that's okay. And we lost glasses. Hold on, let me hit this one time.
We'll get the glasses at the end of the video.
There we go. And you know what? I'm going to attach this really quick. So all that shaking, we loosened up. We made the wheel too loose. We're gonna slow her down a little bit. Go ahead. Let me see.
That's good.
Yeah, that's back in. Perfecto. And we have one more step. And that is to attach, these are called 2 short fins for the tail. Right here, up here. Stand up, just like that.
Sit down.
Let me get 2 small nails. And then we're going to take it for a test flight. What do you think here? Small nails. 1, you got it? And then we'll put the decals on. Where's this airplane headed to? Where are we going to fly? What do you think?
Aruba.
You want to go to Aruba? You know, when you were 9 months old, Daddy had to go to work from New Jersey to California, and it was a long flight, and you were 9 months old, so Joseph slept along the tray tables, and you won the hearts of all the stewardess and the crew, and all the passengers, they all wanted to check on you. You had like 300 babysitters on that flight, but you were a very good boy. You slept most of the flight. Alright, let's do the first one.
300 babysitters? Huh.
Yeah, let's do the first one. Again, we're just using the side of the table for some leverage as we hammer it down. Get a couple shots in and I'll move my hand. You got it?
Flip, please?
Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, it's a little loose. Let me do that again. Ready? Boom, bang.
Firepower.
No, that wasn't a good firepower. Let's do it together. Ready? Arms, ready? You want to do it? After we do the next one?
First, let's do this.
Yeah, we got to complete the project, you know. We got a deadline. We got to deliver airplanes. Okay. Here we go. Hit it a couple times. Give it some tack it. Woo! Alright, let's see if she goes. Wait, we gotta ask the tower for clearance. This is Alpha Bravo JOE looking for takeoff on runway 7.
Bang! Firepower.
Oh, we got stickers. We got stickers. We need stickers. Stickers. Yeah, this is how it looks. So while you're putting those on, here you go. The passengers on the side, and make sure the captain's in the front, not flying the plane by the bathroom.
By the bathroom.
Upside. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. You got it? We got it. So that is it. 7 quick steps for our construction of the Build and Grow airplane for Lowe's. We really enjoyed this kit. We love flying on airplanes, right? Pretty cool. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll hope to see you soon again. Take care. This is Tool Time with J4 and
J5.
That's right.